What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I use to get clear skin. This is a guide for like black men. I got a comment on my YouTube right here. How to get clear skin for black men. This is basically what I use. This is African black soap. I usually just cut like a small bar of it and I put it in my hands and I lather it up and then put it all on my face, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. This removes dark spots and it just makes your skin even. Make sure you get a lot of lather. I'm gonna rinse it off with some cold water. I'm gonna come back to you guys. So I rinse my face and I'm making sure I'm gonna pat dry my face with some paper towel, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. So I'm back and I dried my face, and now I'm gonna put on a facial lotion, just so I don't dry out my face, because the African black soap is very concentrated and it like strips all the oils. So I'm making sure I keep my face moisturized, and I'm using the CeraVe SA Renewing Lotion. I don't know if you can see that there, but with the African black soap, since I said it's very concentrated and you'll see results very quickly, I recommend doing it about 3 times a week, because I've heard some stories about people using it daily and that it caused like irritation, and it dried out their face because they weren't using any face cream after, and it made their face, like their skin, very like hot and just itchy. So use the African black soap 3 times a week. There you go, it's looking good already. I'm saying. There you go, there you have it. If you guys came all the way to the end, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, and I'll try my best to answer you guys. And I'll put the link for these in the description. You guys can go check it out, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.